What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? This particular video, we're going to be doing a very short Bitcoin technical analysis video. So if you look at this, it seems to have broken out of the trend line. It has even done trend line break and retest. So it has broken out of the trend line and done break and retest, broke out of this point, came to retest the trend line, and it's going to the upside. Then divergence is present, which actually validates the break. This is typically my strategy, which is MDTV. M stands for MACD, on a higher time frame. So if I was to trade this, I'll switch this to the 4 hours time frame, look at the color, and I'll decide whether I'll be bullish or bearish. In this particular case, I can switch this to the 4 hours time frame, and I will definitely be bullish. So the histogram is green, so I'll be bullish. So I'll come to a lower time frame, I'll check for trend line break and retest. So the first condition is MACD histogram, followed by divergence on the lower time frame, which is this, followed by trend line break and retest, and then the last is volume divergence. This major volume divergence. This is a custom indicator, so I look at it. This has also confirmed the move. It actually confirmed the fact that the breakout is valid. So there is the confirmation to go to the upside, as in to go long with the possibility of going to the upside. All conditions have been met. All of the conditions have been met. So definitely it's actually a confirmation to go to the upside. So this tells you that we're likely going to go to the upside. It's actually also validated what we've talked about before, that BTC needed to retest the 112k before there is a possibility of anything happening. And now we've seen all conditions met. Based on my strategy, I will show you guys in the days to come. There's nothing to hide. I have nothing to sell you. So basically there is the possibility we'll go to the upside for the meantime, because all of the conditions align. So but tomorrow is Monday, so we may have a drop based on the fact that people are assessing their positions. It's a Monday morning, so people have to reassess their positions, cut their losses and all of that. So that could affect the market, but it just shows us that this point is actually a strong area of support, and we're likely going to the upside, probably coming to retest somewhere around the 115k area before we may see a drop for that down. But I will also update you guys if I discover something like that. But for the meantime, we may go to 115k, 116k on the temporary note. So in case you're going long, so you just be aware of that. This is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.